Azure VM extensions are small applications that provide post-deployment configuration and automation tasks on Azure VMs. For example, a virtual machine that requires software installation or antivirus protection or the ability to run a script inside it, you can use a VM extension for that. There are lots of VM extensions available for Azure. These extensions run with admin privileges and could potentially access anything on a virtual machine. So your organization should carefully consider and evaluate these extensions and ensure that only the ones that are approved are actually implemented. You can run a command that lists all of your Azure VM extensions, then remove any unapproved extensions that are attached to your VMs. So for added security, only install organization-approved extensions on your VMs. Take your first step towards Azure compliance by creating an account and running our free Azure scan in your cloud environment.